Hey crocheters!
Welcome to my channel. Today we will be learning how to crochet chain stitch. Material needed. 1. Yarn. Here I used Yarn Art Jeans Plus. You can use any yarn you have. 2. Hook. Here I'm using 4.0 millimeters hook. 3. Scissor. Let's start. You need to hold the yarn like this. Grab your hook. Put it underneath the yarn and give a 3/6 turn. Hold the part where the yarn is twisted. Put the hook underneath the yarn and grab the yarn and pass it through the loop. This will be our first chain stitch. To continue, grab the yarn again and pass it through the loop. This is our chain stitch. Don't forget to send me a pic on Instagram, say me knots. In the next video, we will learn how to crochet single crochet SC, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.